Hey everyone, this is Carly and today we are in Red Rock Canyon just outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. We are going to film with the drone here. There's all sorts of beautiful scenery, really cool hiking areas, lots of fun activities. It's a little chilly today, but it's good weather. It's not too windy. So like I said, we're going to take the drone out into the canyon and see what we get. Red Rock Canyon has so many different hiking areas, viewing points, and there's a scenic loop that you can take. You can ride your bike, you can drive. I've seen some people roller skate it. We're gonna take that scenic loop today and get some drone footage from some of these scenic lookouts and get some more footage of places like this. It is freaking cold. I'm glad that I brought a sweatshirt. I brought a little zip up. It's in the back seat that I'm gonna put on under my jean jacket. Because back home, it's like 15 minutes away from here. At my house, it's sunny and it's a lot warmer. So it's probably like almost 60 degrees at the house. It is maybe high 40s, low 50s here now. But I mean, that makes sense. It's also a little bit overcast almost. It's just sort of like a little cloudy. We are going to skip the visitor center. For now, we're going to start into the scenic loop. We just parked at the Calico Hills parking area. It's the first parking area, the first little guest rest area in the scenic loop. There's lots of people parked here right now. This is where you really start to see the color of the rocks, where Red Rock gets its namesake. This is going to be one of the first places that we take the drone out. I'm really excited about this. We should be able to get some pretty cool shots. About halfway through the park, this area people I think stop less at. There's a bike trail just behind me, which looks pretty cool. But these views are incredible. And this isn't even counting all of the hiking trails, all of the biking trails, the campsites. I think there's camping. And all of just the cool things that you can see here. There's also a lot of wildlife. So there's certain areas you're not allowed to film or be at. Tortoises. You get on the road, there's like wild wool, all that cool stuff. Alright, we're gonna make our way through the rest of the park, and I think we're like I said, about halfway. We're gonna go the rest of the way through the scenic loop, and then we're gonna call it a day. The ranger just came over to make sure that I was okay. He said the car like pulled over on the side, and then he was like, "Are you flying a drone?" And I was like, "Yeah." And he was like, "No, it's okay, you can. I just wondered." And then we just got into talking about drones, and he was like, "Yeah, I think the park should get some. Then we can like, you know, check on people in areas that we can't get to very fast, and you know, we can look for people if they're lost." And I was like, "You don't already have that?" What? Yes. You should have them get you some. They're not that expensive, like, when you think about it that way. Anyway, but he was super cool, and yeah, he just asked a bunch of questions about the DJI Mini 2. I told him what I've experienced so far, just in like the couple of days that I've had it, and yeah, he was super cool dude, and I hope that the park gets some drones. So, yeah, hopefully Red Rock gets some drones soon. Because people go missing here, like, I feel like all the time. I feel like at least every couple months it's like, hiker lost in Red Rock Canyon, like body never discovered. Or maybe not the body never discovered part. I think that is it for Red Rock Canyon. I had a really good time. I'm definitely gonna come back. I'm not really a hiker, but I do see a lot of other places that I want to film and record and get some pictures. I had a great time. Let me know which parts were your favorite. Do you want to come to Red Rock someday? And what did you think? All right, please subscribe. It makes a big difference to me. I really appreciate each of you even getting to this point. So thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you next time.